Hello students, let's continue the session on arithmetic progression. We had discussed 17th question in the last session. Let's begin with question number 18. In question 18, it's given that how many numbers lie between 10 and 300, which when divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3. Here, the main concept used is find the least and the largest required number between 10 and 300 and make an arithmetic progression. The least number between 10 and 300, which leaves a remainder 3 after dividing by 4, is 11. When 11 is divided by 4, it leaves the remainder 3. And the largest number between 10 and 300, which leaves the remainder 3, is 296. When 296 is 299 will be the last term. Let me write it like this. The least number between 10 and 300, which leaves remainder 3 after dividing by 4, is 11. The largest number between 10 and 100, 10 and 300, which leaves remainder 3 after dividing by 4, is 299. So with this I can get an arithmetic progression. The first term will be 11. The next term will be having the common difference as 3. It has to be divided by 4. So the common difference has to be 4. So the second term will be 15. Third term will be 19. And it continues. And nth term will be 299. In this case, an is 299, first term is 11, common difference is 4. We need to find the number of terms. So we'll make use of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute 299 will be equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 4. So 288 divided by 4 will be n minus 1 value. So n will be equal to 73. So there are 73 numbers between 10 and 300, which leaves remainder 3 on dividing by 4. 19th question. Find the sum of two middlemost terms of arithmetic progression minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, and so on till 4, 1 by 3. Let me first make this arithmetic progression which is having improper fraction. I'll convert this as a improper fraction. So minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, so on this will become 13 by 3. In this case, we need to find the number of terms, then I'll find out the median. Median will be the middlemost term. So to find the number of terms, first let me consider an, which is 13 by 3. The first term is negative 4 by 3. The common difference is minus 1 minus of minus 4 by 3. We get it as minus 3 plus 4 divided by 3, nothing but 1 by 3. Now with this information, let's find the value of n. A plus n minus 1 into b will be an. First term is negative 4 by 3 plus n minus 1 multiplied to 1 by 3 equal to 13 by 3. So n minus 1 multiplied to 1 by 3 will be equal to 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3, which will be 17 by 3. So n minus 1 will be equal to 17 by 3 multiplied to the reciprocal, which is 3 by 1. 3 get cancelled. We get n minus 1 as 17. The value of n will be 18. So there are 18 terms. When total number of terms are even, we have learned a formula. When number of terms is even, median will be the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. It's average. So this will be 9th term plus the 10th term divided by 2. This will be the median. How do we find the median now? Let me first find out what is 9th term and 10th term. Let me change the color so that you won't get confused. I'll write it here. A9 will be A plus 8D. A10 will be A plus 9D. A9 plus A10 will be 2A plus 17D. Let me substitute. A value negative 4 by 3 plus 17 into 1 by 3. So minus 8 by 3 added to 17 by 3. This is 9 by 3, nothing but 3. Therefore, middlemost term will be 3 by 2, nothing but 1.5. Remember, this is positive 1.5. Here the sequence is started with a negative, then there is an increase and we get positive 1 by 2 somewhere in the middle. Correction, I'm not supposed to find out the median. I need to find the middlemost term. So middlemost terms sum. It's not the middlemost term, sum of the middlemost terms, sum. The sum will be A9 plus A10. This will be considered, only the numerator part is considered. Alright, because the question is sum of two middlemost terms. Alright, it's not the middlemost term, sum of the two middlemost terms. But we are using this formula. In this formula, the numerator gives sum of the middlemost term. Alright. Let's see the next question. Question number 20. The first term of arithmetic progression is -5 and the last term is positive 45. If the sum of the terms is for 120, find the number of terms and the common difference. What is given to us? First term is given as -5, nth term is given as 45, sum of nth term in terms is 120. We are supposed to find the common difference and also the number of terms. Let me make use of an make use of formula. Sn is n by 2 times of a plus an, where a is the first term, an is the last term. If substituted, we get 120 equal to n by 2 multiplied to positive 45 added to -5 will be 40, so it becomes 20. So value of n we can find, it is 120 divided by 20. We get it as 6. Therefore the number of terms is 6. This is found. Now we need to find the common difference. For that, I'll consider an as a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is given as 45, which is equal to, first term is -5 plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 is what? It's 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 into d. So 45 added to 5 will be equal to 5 times d. So d value becomes 10. Therefore, the common difference is 10 and the number of terms is 6. Question number 21. Find the sum. They have given a sequence. In this sequence, we are having the first term 1. Common difference we can find -2 minus 1, nothing but -3. Nth term is given as -236. We need to find out the sum of n terms. We all know that sum of n terms is n by 2 times of a plus an. To find sum of n terms, we need to know how many terms are there. So we can use an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is -236 equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into d is -3. So -236 equal to +1, -3n, +3. This becomes 4. On transposing, it becomes -4. It will be 3n equal to -3n equal to -240. So n will be -240 divided by -3, nothing but 80. So there are 80 terms. So sum of 80 terms will be 80 upon 2 multiplied to the first term added to the last term. So yes, 80 will be 40 times. This will be -235. So on multiplication with 4, I'll be getting 940 followed by one more 0. Alright, so this will be -9400. There are 2 more sub questions. Let's see the next sub question. Question number 2. 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4 minus 3 by n, so on till n terms. It's a different type of a sequence. Let me consider the first term to be the combination of these two terms. Alright, so first term is 4 minus 1 upon n. Here the number of terms is n. Let me find the common difference. Here the common difference will be the second term, which is 4 minus 2 by n, minus the first term 4 minus 1 by n. Let's simplify this. 4 minus 2 by n, negative 4, positive 1 by n. This get cancelled. We'll be getting minus 1 by n. So this minus 1 by n is the common difference. When we have a common difference, we can find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms will be n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied to d. So the sum of n terms will be n by 2 times 2a, it is 2 times 4 minus 1 by n plus n minus 1 into the common difference negative 1 by n. Let's simplify this. N by 2. When 2 is multiplied, we get minus 2 by n, 8 minus 2 by n. Here minus 1 by n multiplied to n will be minus 1. Minus of minus is positive 1 by n. So this is how we simplify this. So n by 2 times 7. The combination of this minus 2 by n plus 1 by n is negative 1 by n. So on further simplification, we get LCM as n here. So 7n minus 1 will be there. N and n will get cancelled. 7n minus 1 by 2. This will be the sum. Let's look at the third sub question here. A minus b divided by a plus b is the first term. A minus b divided by a plus b. The number of terms is given as 11. Common difference we need to find, it's the second term minus the first term. LCM is a plus b. So we get 3a minus 2b minus a plus b. So 3a minus a will be 2a minus b divided by a plus b. This will be the common difference. Now we have got common difference, n value and a value. So we can find Sn. Sn will be n by 2 times a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know it's 11, n is 11, so S11, sum of first 11 terms will be 11 by 2 multiplied to 2a, which is 2 times the first term, which is a minus b upon a plus b, plus n minus 1 is 10, because 11 minus 1 is 10, into d value is 2a minus b divided by a plus b. Now this has to be simplified. To simplify this, what we can do is, I will take 2 common, so that 2 and this denominator 2 will get cancelled. So 11 times this will be a minus b by a plus b, plus here 5 will remain. 5 times 2a is 10, 10a minus 5b divided by a plus b. Now take the LCM. The LCM is a plus b. So 11 times this will become 11a minus 6b. So the answer, I can keep it as it is, or else I can multiply with 11. It becomes 121a minus 66b divided by a plus b. This will be the sum of n terms. That's all for today's session. We shall continue some more questions of NCERT exemplar in the next session. Thank you.